This is an MTH train system that took me 5 years to build. I can run 8 engines at one time, maybe 9. I have 13 total engines and over 100 cars. I have over 500 feet of track here in this garage, believe it or not, 48 switches, and I have 2 transformers that are 400 watts apiece, and 2 computers that control the train, and I can input 499 commands into the computer and the train will run itself. All of the engines talk, smoke, chuff, make sounds. They all have cruise control. They have accel rates and decel rates, and they are state-of-the-art in terms of model trains in their engineering and electronic capability. And now it's time to start disassembling the train and take all this down and start selling the pieces one at a time. So that's the system, and I've enjoyed it, built it for my grandson and granddaughters, and now they're into Xbox, and trains are no longer of interest to them. So goodbye train, that's it.